I wonder what you would do if you had the power to dream at night any dream you wanted to dream, and slip, say, 75 years of subjective time into 8 hours of sleep. You would, I suppose, start out by fulfilling all your wishes. You could design for yourself what would be the most ecstatic life. After several nights of 75 years of total pleasure each, you would say, well, that was pretty great. But now let's have a surprise. Let's have a dream which isn't under control. You would dream the dream of living the life that you are actually living today. You would dream where you are now.